A VPN, short for Virtual Private Network, is a cybersecurity tool for privacy and security. When you connect to it, a VPN creates a secure tunnel and secures data traveling between you and the VPN server. Encryption scrambles data, so to anyone outside the encrypted tunnel, the information looks like gibberish, meaning no snoops can sneak a peek at your online activity. NordVPN ensures that you can browse safely and privately in just a few clicks. To set up NordVPN, first get a subscription and download the app. Find it in your device's app store or go to the NordVPN website. Detailed instructions for setting up NordVPN on each operating system are on our website, Help Center, or on our YouTube channel. Now log in and connect. You can either use the Quick Connect button and NordVPN will select the best server for you, or click on any country in the map. That's it. You're connected.